Hi friends, welcome to Veena's Blue Roses. Happy Diwali wishes to all. Today I planned this video for the busy people who haven't yet planned for the Diwali. So in a rush what they can make and enjoy this Diwali. So today I'm going to show two recipes, one sweet and one savory. One is ribbon pakoda and the another one is coconut burfi. So everyone enjoy this Diwali. May this a light helps us to remove this darkness from this world. So let's see the ribbon pakoda recipe. This is the ribbon pakoda. For this ribbon pakoda, I have taken the instant flour from Baba's. This is the flour. No preservatives or anything added to it. Just the same what we are making in home. But they have mixed everything and kept it ready for us to use. So we just need 320 ml of water. That's what they have written. So let's begin and see how to make this. Here I am using the whole packet. That are the chili flakes what we are seeing, and some sesame seeds also they have added into it. No need to add salt as they have already added salt in that. So let's mix it and make a dough. Don't add water, all water together, just add little by little and bind it. You have to use your hands to mix it. Now it's almost ready. Here I am adding little bit butter also to it so that our ribbon pakoda gets soft. Mix it like this until it's soft. So this is the texture. Now I am adding little butter. This ribbon pakoda is very crispy. Definitely you can give it a try. And this Babas have other muruk flour and everything mixed. Adirasa mixture also I have seen, I think. So you can instantly buy this and make this at home. So this is ready. Cover it. Now let's heat oil and start pressing the ribbon pakoda. You say press like this. So you can see the ribbon shaped pakodas coming out. It's so crispy and tasty also. So if you are in a rush, last minute Diwali preparations, you can try this one. Here I have taken coconut oil. You can add any oil. One side it's brown, now the another side. Let it become golden brown, then we will take it out. Don't wait until it's very brown, otherwise it will turn to dark and taste won't be good. So once it's a light brown like this, you can take it out. Remove from the oil and our ribbon pakoda is ready. Make like this with the rest of the dough. So it's ready. Enjoy the yummy crispy ribbon pakodas. Now let's see how to make coconut burfi. It's very easy to make thing. So let's see. Here I have taken frozen coconut, fresh one, then milk, sugar and little cardamom powder. The coconut grated is up to 2 cups. For 2 cups coconut, I have taken 1.5 cups sugar, half cup milk, and this is the cardamom powder which I have powdered along with the sugar. Greased plate, make it ready. Now let's begin to make. Heat a heavy bottomed pan. Keep the flame in medium or low. Then add coconut. You can use desiccated coconut also for this recipe. Here I had this frozen fresh coconut, so I am using that. Now add sugar I'm adding cardamom powder now itself. You can skip that if you don't like the taste. Now mix everything. Finally we will add milk along with it. Now let's add milk. Make sure to keep the flame in low, otherwise it tends to get burnt. Fresh coconut is best for this recipe, so try to use fresh coconut if you have. Once the sugar starts melts, it will become watery, so no need to worry. Keep stirring. It will take around 25 to 30 minutes to get it thickened. So keep on stirring. See, the texture of this mixture is changing. In the first picture, I have shown one glass flower decoration. You can try that. Just you need one glass bowl. Inside that keep one flower, and above that you can let one tea light candle. You can use that as a deco. Keep stirring. We have to do this until it gets thickened and start leaving the pan. Now all water gone, still moisture is there, so wait until it gets thickened properly. Just scrape out the coconuts. Hope you have seen my last video. In that I have shown some of the Diwali decorations here in Little India in Singapore. So if you haven't watched yet, do watch that video. Keep the flame in medium to low whole process, otherwise it will get burnt. Now it's ready. Let's switch off the flame and transfer it to the greased plate. Pat into a shape like this. Now let it rest for some time. After 10 to 12 minutes, we will just give some cuts to it. Here I have cut like this. That's it. After 20 to 30 minutes, it will be ready to eat. So this is the deco I was mentioning. So hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe to Veena's Blue Roses for more videos like this. And remember to press the bell so that as and when I post new videos, you will get notified.